let's take a look at some of the tools that will save you time and manual effort in SolidWorks simulation. One area that really helps alleviate manual contact creation is extended support for automatic contact detection between any surface and edges. In this model, we have lofted surface and the edge contact of the cross braces is automatically detected. So you just have to set the global contact and you're good to go. There are plenty of situations where after meshing a part, you find you want to change the mesh on a couple of the bodies, but don't need to remesh the entire model. Now you have the flexibility to remesh individual parts as needed in SolidWorks simulation. Just right-click on the body and specify a new mesh settings. A mesh constraint is created on the fly and the mesh updated. This can be a huge time saver, especially on larger models. Visualization of 3D results has also been extended to support shells, where we can view results on the rendered thickness, avoiding the hassle of looking at just the top or bottom surfaces in turn. But probably the most useful enhancement for saving time is the new support for submodeling. From a full study, you can designate any number of subcomponents to be used for a locally refined simulation. Just pick the bodies and the simulation creates a study and then automatically creates loads and boundary conditions to apply. So all you need to do is decide what refinement to do. For example, include components for more detail in bolted or welded connections. Then just mesh the submodel and quickly see the results in a far more detail than you could obtain if you'd used the entire model. You also have access to all the same result tools as for regular studies, so it's easy to drill down and understand the performance of your design. What's also great is that you're not limited to just one submodel. You can have as many as needed to look at different regions or different detailed geometry in each one, as it takes advantage of the SolidWorks configurations. In this example, we've added a slot cutout to see what effect it has on the localized stresses in this cross member. As you can see, there are some great enhancements to help you get your job done faster in SolidWorks Simulation 2013.